During this quarantine, a lot of people are not eating healthy meals. They're not eating well, they're eating a lot. And we're here to make things worse for you guys with another episode of Bake and Bake. We're gonna make some peanut butter bars that are gonna be delicious, really easy to make. It's gonna take about 20 minutes, plus obviously whatever time it's gonna take on the fridge. And my wife here, Belencita, is gonna do a sexy introduction of all the items that we're gonna start eating, and also all the stuff that we're gonna need to introduce. Are you ready, sweetie?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's bake, babe! Please introduce the ingredients, but do it very sexy.
No, I'm not doing it sexy. I don't ooze sex, in case you haven't noticed.
Don't worry about it, guys. I convinced her. So, babe, what is the first ingredient?
Honey-made graham crackers. I'm not gonna do this anymore.
Why not?
Because let's move on.
All right, I'll do it. Powdered sugar.
Do you wanna show the label?
It's powdered sugar.
Yeah, but there's a really nice label that I put.
Why are you? These are just ingredients. Ooh, peanut butter.
This is honestly.
What? You can't judge me. Chocolate chips. All right, babe, since no one gave a shit about my sexy introduction of everything, just tell me what are the cooking supplies we're gonna need?
One mixing bowl, food processor, parchment paper, measuring cups, baking tray, spatula, spoon, mixing bowl, plus the mixer, cutting board. Do I look too comfortable holding this?
Yeah, you do.
A knife.
Let's get to cook! Why do you have your apron on already?
Because I'm not doing your sexy introduction.
All right, well, I guess it's left to me. And don't worry, I'll change it so that I don't embarrass you.
All right, guys, hope you're having a good night out there. Be sure to tip your waitresses and maybe buy a drink for the DJ. Next up on the main stage, we've got a little bit of hot sauce coming up your way. Let's give it up for Esmeralda.
Yeah, shake it. Yeah.
Wouldn't be a Bake and Baked episode without this. So I want to go get baked and let's get to baking. Let's do it. All right, I just came back from doing what I'm supposed to do, and Belen's doubting that I know what I'm doing.
Of course I'm doubting you.
How fucking dare you? I know everything that's gonna go into this mix. It's a two-parter, guys. We're gonna need the big mixing bowl stuff for the layer at the bottom, and then for the layer on top. It's really simple. Now, you with me? She's not with me, guys. I know. Aha! Believe it or not, Alejandro has notes with his horrible handwriting.
Scratch.
That's right. But I got it. It's
okay, we're moving on.
This is the first thing we're gonna do, sweetie.
Why am I here? Oh wait, because we're in quarantine.
The first thing we need to do, sweetie, and you're gonna do this. You're gonna grab 2 cups of these, and you're gonna put them in the food processor.
I'm confused.
And you're gonna grind them, sweetie.
Why?
Because you're supposed to get crumbs. You're not supposed to get the crackers.
I'm not confused about that. I'm confused why I'm doing it, and I'm not directing you.
Because you never learned the recipe, and we have to read it, and I learned it.
Excuse me?
I'm just quick on my feet, sweetie.
You're quick. Several things.
Oh, no. Sweetie.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes, I did. So it's kind of like this, right? There's 2.
This is
I would
the
say,
worst
yeah.
episode.
This is done. So now this is 1.
And then this.
No, it's 2. It's 2, sweetie. 2 cups.
No, it's...
It's 2 cups.
It is. So good.
Babe, we need to get this done.
I know, but I needed a snack. Huh? Okay. Where is the processor?
I'm trying my best, guys. You know this.
Okay. Plug this in.
Oh boy. Yes.
Oh,
yes.
that's
I'm
fine.
getting Belen some wine, guys.
It's been an exhausting 5 weeks.
Hey.
I would have preferred a spritz, but...
You got your wine?
Yeah.
Good. I'm glad you got
He
it.
asked me if I was stoned, and I said, maybe.
All right, sweetie. Can you please, for the love of God,
What do you want me to do?
put the damn crackers in the food processor and make them crumbs?
But
What's so hard about this?
should I crumble them? first?
A little bit, you can, but the whole purpose is this is gonna crumble them perfectly.
All right, okay, you know what? Fine. Let's see.
Why are you not believing what I'm saying? Oh, wow, it works.
Look, I can switch gears. Impressive.
You wanna put that into the mixing,
This one?
yeah, just add it into the mixing bowl. No, the see-through one. Okay. Wow. Now that's 1 cup that we just threw in there, sweetie. And now you're gonna put the 2nd cup of this.
I need to put this
in
in
here.
first.
All right, well, you had to do that first, sweetie.
I don't need your assistant putting the graham crackers in.
All right, now everything is ready since you put that in. So let's go.
Let's mix it up.
That's 2 cups right there of grinded graham crackers.
Graham
That's what they're called?
crackers, yeah.
Excellent. Now,
This is what you eat s'mores with.
great. Thank you for the note, sweetie. Now I know. The more you know. I won't remember because I'm really
I
high.
know, sweet.
Now we need 1.5 peanut butter cups. So 1.5. And also the peanut butter kind of looks like diarrhea. I'm very scared.
So it's 1 and 1/2.
It's 1.5. Wow, and obviously we're very lucky that we can buy organic peanut butter. You know, the one that doesn't taste any good like the regular Skip one or Skippy. Is it Skippy?
No.
What? That it's not supposed to look
Yes,
like
it
water.
is. The
sweetie.
oilier, the better. Look it up.
This ain't truffle butter. This is just.
Oh, you're fucking disgusting.
Oh no!
I would probably say that you have the option to use creamy peanut butter or crunchy. Obviously, we have limited options right now, so.
It actually said creamy, so I don't know if this is gonna work out. All right, guys. Good luck to everyone. All right, now you put it in there, sweetie. Good job. Great job.
I feel like you are being sarcastic.
How? I'm very proud of you. Look, you're throwing it all in there.
Listen, I'm just gonna say one thing.
Yeah.
Carol Baskin, okay?
Mama's got some treats for you.
All right. And also, because we're adding 1.5 powdered sugar cups, we should have done the sugar before because now this is wet.
see, you fucked up.
You fucked up.
You fucked up.
You fucked up.
Just 20 minutes, but it's taking 6 hours. Pretty
It's your fault.
How?
Sweetie.
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 I'm hungry.
All right, it's time to add 1.5 powdered sugar cups into our mix.
So I'm gonna use this guy as a
A scooper. Man, this is gonna take a few hours, huh?
Oh my god. Well, we have nowhere to go. Nowhere to be.
We already threw 1, and now we're just missing half the cup, sweetie.
Sweetie.
Sweetie. Remember, you gotta flatten that out so you know exactly how much there is in there. And also, a little side to side will make it settle. Almost, you're almost there. Think of it like Colombian Bam Bam. Be careful with it. There you go. I think
good,
that's
sweetie?
Throw it in there. Now, we're gonna mix these 3. And gonna go to the first big step.
Which is?
Mixing it all together with the swipe looking spatula.
Okay.
I can't believe we're gonna do this.
It's scary.
Now, finally, the first big step.
Okay.
Put the swipe little thing in this, and
Did you secure it?
it's in. Don't worry about it. And now, you can bring this down. All right. So we started this just now. This is gonna be dry at first. You wanna start it slow, kind of like whatever you do in bed. Don't try to spoil it too soon, right, sweetie?
You should listen to your own advice.
I will now. Maybe one day, sweetie. Maybe one day.
One day.
But it's gonna look dry like this. Now, on the other plate, sweetie, let's go to step number 2 before you make more jokes about my sexuality.
It's not about your sexuality. My sexuality.
Well, we just grabbed
Wow.
one of these.
Barely made it.
one of these, because it's 1.5 of, what are these?
These are chocolate chips, but I will
Chocolate
say
chips.
this.
Wow, I'm so high.
These are really large. Like, if you have smaller
Not
ones-
really, it doesn't matter. Trust me, it doesn't matter. Trust me.
No one trusts me.
Belen hasn't read the recipe. I got you, boys. Guys, when have I failed you?
Every time.
And this whole thing starts by preheating the oven. So, babe, we need to preheat it to what?
350.
350 degrees, baby. Let's do it.
You know how?
No. It's one of the things we need to do, pretend that this is our penis.
You wish.
These are game changers, guys. These are fucking game changers. Technology is incredible. I'm telling you. All right, so we got 1.5 here, and then you're gonna put a 1/4 cup of peanut butter on top, and then we're gonna melt that.
So basically, it's a whole can of peanut butter.
Yeah,
Yeah.
basically.
I mean, this is what's left.
Ew, sweetie.
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 We've talked about this.
Gorgeous. It's supposed to be very dry. It kind of looks like cereal. You're doing it right. Go ahead, sweetie.
First of all, back up. Okay. So this is the last bit of perfect.
Bye. So that's 1/4 cup.
So it's literally like the last bits of the peanut butter drop.
Okay.
I'm putting it in here.
Yeah, that's right. You drop it in there.
Drop it like it's hot.
Drop it like it's hot.
Oh. Needs every
All right.
little crumble.
Every single one. Now we're gonna grab this and put it in the microwave and melt it, because that's what we're gonna throw on top of the other
I
one.
mean, I hate the microwave, but let's.
Put it in the microwave, sweetie. Put it in the microwave until it melts. So try it little by little. Keep going.
Are you sure it doesn't say anything in there?
Took about a minute. That's what he said. But
that
this
was-
microwave is old.
Yeah.
All right, so on a regular microwave, not this one that takes 39 years, but on a regular one, you put it in for 1 minute and you should get something like this. And you're supposed to do the bottom of it and put it in a, a little pan. But here's the reality of our situation. It doesn't look anything like that.
No, I think it's because it's crunchy.
Sweetie, it's ruined because of your peanut butter.
It's
You ruined everything.
How do you lift it up?
Oh, sweetie, you need my help in the kitchen, huh?
It's a first.
It won't be a last.
Actually,
No, hopefully it will. Actually, why, sweetie?
I was gonna say, Alejandro's been in the kitchen a lot since quarantine.
That's right. Eating. Mostly eating. Excuse me. Excuse me, sweetie. Can you put the parchment paper on the thing? Sweetie, thank you. Oh, guys, I just touched this. This is not gonna work. But hey, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try our best.
Because it was crunchy. It's because there was none.
Peanut butter. She fucked up the peanut butter. I knew
We didn't. We
You
don't
can't-
have it.
You can't have just like fucking regular peanut butter.
I didn't buy it.
Now that's terrible.
You do it. I fucking quit. Goodbye.
Here. Look at this miracle. How you doing with that?
It's melted.
Okay, good. It's very important that we focus on dumping this in here because it's not gonna work, okay? It's not gonna work.
Okay.
Because the fucking peanut butter.
It's gonna work. I honestly think this is actually going to be better because it's gonna be extra crunchy. It looks like Rice Krispie treats. I guess your wife pulled through, huh?
No, we'll see until it's done.
Sweetie. Sweetie.
You've lost your mind, woman.
Yeah, I've been in the house with only you for 5 weeks straight.
How lucky is she, by the way, guys?
Oh my god.
How lucky is my
No,
wife?
she's
Everybody, please, a big round of applause. I'm gonna compromise a little bit with the shape of this.
Well, it's good.
It really does. Make sure that it's nice and flat. I present to you the chocolate and whatever peanut butter that Bolin also
Yeah, it didn't microwave
put in
well.
here. He did.
Honestly, you guys, I don't know how we managed to fuck up every single recipe. Like, even pre-quarantine when we had access to
It's
everything.
because we don't have the ingredients. Right now that I'm in charge is just because of the ingredients, sweetie.
It's okay, your dad just lost his mind. Honestly, I think it's gonna be delicious.
Okay. Now, we want to make this as even as possible. I have to say this, normally this would have to be flat, so you'd have to flatten this out, but it's impossible based on the texture that we have because of our peanut butter. But I just know that that's supposed to be really nice and flat, guys.
You know what? Ours is thick with lumps. It's gonna be good.
It's a little lumpy.
It's gonna be good, sweetie.
I don't think so. And now, the last part. Put it in the fridge for a fucking hour. It's been
Hours.
No, it's been an hour now, and this shit should be ready according to the instructions that we read. So, okay.
Wow.
Thank you. Oh shit, it was that easy.
Yeah.
Cut it however you want,
I don't. Okay.
sweetie.
Sweetie, it's pretty mushy.
Ooh.
Honestly, it's gonna be bomb.
Wow. Okay. Okay.
Here you go, sweetie.
I'll try it first. No, we try it at the same time. Cheers.
Really good.
It's like a huge marzipan with chocolate.
We need wine.
Oh my god, yes. Wow.
Wow.
Guys,
It tastes like something else and I can't figure it out. These are so good, you guys. Like, I actually think the crunchy peanut butter was a blessing.
I really think so too. Sometimes things happen for a reason.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna leave you guys with that. Right, Fiona?
Happy quarantine.
Happy quarantini. Enjoy.
Be safe.
Cheers. Be safe, guys. I hope you have fun. Take care. Sweetie!
You guys are fucking losing our minds.